So a common thing that I see in a gym setting is a lot of people are starting to get pinching pain when they do any kind of pressing movement, given a bench press or a dip. One of the worst pieces of advice that you can give someone is to eliminate that exercise, because you do get the benefits from doing those exercises in terms of muscle growth, desensitization of pain, and improved function. Okay, so most commonly when people are doing a bench press technique, they're feeling like a pinching in their shoulder. And that's usually because people flare up when they go for a bench. So if I demonstrate here. So usually as you come down, you should bring it to around the nipple area. Elbow is nice and tucked, and you can press up very comfortably, okay? What people tend to do once it gets too heavy is as they push up, they flare their elbows, and this puts your shoulder into an impingement position. So the position that pinches the shoulder the most is in flexion and internal rotation. So when people go to flare to bench, they're pushing their shoulder into an impinging position, and that's gonna give you some discomfort. So what I found with benching in particular, as well as with dips, is if you eliminate the ability to go into an impingement position, it will eliminate the pain, and then you'll also be able to get the benefits of training, okay? So the ways we do that with bench is to do underhand grip benching, okay? It's pretty unconventional, but it does give people a lot of relief. It gives you the benefit of continuing to bench and progress with your chest gains, as well as not giving you the symptoms, okay? So if I demonstrate here, underhand grip can be very uncomfortable for a lot of people. What you're gonna do is same position, bringing it down and then pushing up, okay? So the benefit of this is there is almost no way to pinch your shoulder because you're in a supinated grip. This is me trying to flare up my elbows as much as possible. The bar itself is stopping me, and it's stopping this impingement position. So this is a great way to continue to bench, as well as keeping good shoulder health and shoulder mobility. And the same thing with a dip. So when you go for a dip, a lot of people are in a neutral position. With a bench dip, people use an overhand grip. So same thing, as you come down, if I flare my shoulders in, that's pinching my shoulders straight away. So what I do get people to do is palm forward, and my body is physically stopping me from pinching my shoulder. So this lets me get the full range of motion, full stretch, without any kind of pinching or discomfort. So this is a good variation you can do if you or any of your patients or your clients are getting any pinching in their shoulder from a bench or a dip.